Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Allie and you are watching Coupon on the Fly. Hi guys and welcome back. I am so excited to be sharing another Dollar General video with everyone. Today I have created two all digital easy couponing scenarios that are laundry loaded for this Saturday, which is November 14th. So make sure you guys go on your DG accounts and clip all of your coupons, including your 5 off 25, because you guys are not going to want to miss out. Like I said, I have created some laundry loaded deals. We're going to be stocking up on detergent and dryer sheets and Febreze. So you guys are definitely going to want to go couponing on Saturday. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also check out the description box because I leave a link to my Instagram. So without further ado, let's jump right on into this Dollar General video. Okay, so starting off with deal number one, our first item will be a 40-ounce bottle of GAIN liquid detergent. Then we're going to be picking up a 15-count package of the Purex laundry packs. Your next item will be a bottle of the all free and clear liquid laundry detergent, and this is a 36-ounce bottle. Your next two items will be two boxes of the Snuggle dryer sheets, and they are 40-count boxes. Then you're going to snag a bag of the VapoCool cough drops, and this is an 18-count package. You're going to be picking up a 24-count package of the Always Discreet liners. And your last two items will be two of the Febreze sprays in any scent of your choice. Going over the breakdown for deal number one, the GAIN liquid is $3.95 and we have a $1 off coupon, making it $2.95. The Purex packs are $3 and we have a $2 off coupon, making it only $1. The all free and clear liquid detergent is $4 and we have a $1.50 off coupon, making it only $2.50. Don't forget to grab two of the Snuggle dryer sheets, making it $4 for both. And we have our $2.50 off coupon, bringing it down to $1.50. The VapoCool cough drops are $2 and we have a $1.50 off coupon for them, stocking up for the winter season, making them only 50 cents. The Always Discreet liners are $3 and we have a $2 off coupon, bringing it down to $1. And the Febreze sprays are $3 per spray, and again we're grabbing two, making it $6, and we have a $3 off coupon, bringing it down to $3. So looking at our subtotal, it comes to $25.95, and after our coupons and savings come off, including the 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $7.45 plus tax out of pocket for deal number one. And here we go with deal number two. Our first item will be a 40-ounce bottle of the GAIN liquid detergent. Then we're going to pick up a 15-count package of the Purex laundry packs. Your next item will again be the 36-ounce bottle of all free and clear detergent. Then you're going to be picking up a 19-count package of the all laundry packs. These are not the free and clear, they're just the regular all laundry packs. Then you're going to snag a bottle of Arm & Hammer liquid detergent, and this is a 61.25-ounce bottle. Your next two items will again be two boxes of the Snuggle dryer sheets, and they are 40 count per box. And your last item will be a package of the VapoCool cough drops, and again, this is an 18-count package. Going over the breakdown for deal number two, the GAIN liquid is again $3.95 and we have a $1 off coupon. The Purex packs are $3 and we have our $2 off coupon. The all free and clear liquid detergent is $4, and we have a $1.50 off coupon, making it only $2.50. The all laundry packs are $5, and we have a $2 off coupon, bringing it down to $3. The Arm & Hammer liquid detergent is $3.95, and we have a $1 off coupon, making it only $2.95. The Snuggle dryer sheets are $4 for both boxes, and again, we have a $2.50 off coupon, which is amazing for 2 boxes, making it only $1.50. And the Vapo Cool cough drops are again $2 with our $1.50 off coupon, bringing it down to only 50 cents. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.90, and after our coupons and savings come off, including our 5 off 25 of course, we will spend a total of $9.40 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 2. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are 2 all-digital couponing scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General. Make sure you guys have all of your coupons clipped and your deals ready for Saturday, November 14th. I hope you guys enjoyed these deals, and I hope you're able to do one and snag up some good products, because I want you guys to be able to stockpile some laundry items for this very cold upcoming winter. At least it's going to be cold in Pennsylvania. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you guys are smashing that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and letting me know what else you'd like to see, or letting me know your favorite scents of any of the products that I talked about. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and of course, happy couponing!